Good morning once again, ladies and gentlemen and delegates. Welcome to the Hyundai Eco Summit 2025.
The outstanding students, we have demonstrated such enthusiasm. Thank you for being here and for bringing your energy and ideas to this event.
It is my great pleasure to welcome of you into the Hyundai Eco Summit 2025.
3, 2, 1. Hyundai Eco Summit 2025 is officially open. Hyundai Eco Summit 2025. Driving Indonesia toward the dream tomorrow.
We are very pleased to welcome more than 60 participants who successfully passed the selection process from among hundreds of applicants from across Indonesia.
Thank you for your active participation in Hyundai Eco Summit. Your contribution have created an inspiring and memorable experience for all of us.
Hyundai Eco Summit 2025.